All right, today we're going to take a look at an absolutely beautiful 1970 Chevelle SS454. This is one of our newer arrivals. Finished in the ever popular cranberry red, black stripes. This one has black bucket seat interior. Sometimes we forget that bench seats were standard in the Super Sports. This one has buckets with the factory console. Riding on the correct 1970 SS wheels. Raised white letter tires. Beautiful interior. This one's nicely equipped with power steering, power disc brakes, 4-speed, tilt steering wheel, stock AM/FM radio I see over there in the dash. There's your console, right there. Beautiful remaining example of one of these 70 Chevelles. Really nice headliner, really nice interior. Nice paint on the car. Sounds wonderful. Beautifully detailed under the hood. Stock exhaust manifolds looking just like it did in 1970 when Chevrolet built it. I've got a fellow that is very eager to hear this beauty run, so I'm going to back it out of here for you. We'll fire it up, see what she sounds like. Nice little trio of added gauges down there too, in your muscle car.
If that's the rumble you love in your SS454, give me a call. My name is Jeff, 410-562-9319.